Laundry bag in your suitcase? This simple addition to your suitcase is often overlooked. That's why we love travel laundry bags. Here are a few of our top travel laundry bag picks. Number 1. Mia Mica Laundry Bag. Number 2. Scrub a Wash Bag. Number 3. Hummus XL Laundry Bags. Number 4. Shappy Travel Laundry Bag. Number 5. Unilegi's Washable Travel Laundry Bag. Number 6. Kickerland Travel Size Laundry Bag. Number 7. Swissalite Heavy Duty Laundry Bag. Number 8. Daily Kate Backpack Laundry Bag. Number 9. Mumi Travel Laundry Bag. Whether you're going on a weekend trip or a month-long vacation, you will need a good travel laundry bag. There are so many to choose from. How do you know which one is best for your needs? Visit vacationcountdownapp.com to read the full review.